If you're crocheting in the round, a magic ring or circle is the best way to start because it leaves no hole in the middle. This short video explains how a magic ring works and shows you a quick and easy way to do it, step by step. Step 1. With your yarn ball to the right, take your yarn tail and lay it over itself to make a bigger loop. This loop will be your magic ring. You will crochet stitches into it and then pull the yarn end tight to make a circle with no hole. Step 2. Pinch the top of the loop with your left hand to make a round shape. Step 3. With your right hand, put your crochet hook through the ring, grab your working yarn and pull a loop back through on your hook. Now you just need to make a chain with this loop to secure your ring. Step 4. Put your right index finger on the loop to keep it safe on your hook and grab your ring with your right hand. Now move the yarn ball back to the left, tighten up the loop on your hook and make a chain. And that's your magic circle done. Open up your hand and you'll see you have your chain, your magic ring to crochet into, and your yarn tail to pull it closed later on. The big advantage is that you can close the ring by simply pulling the yarn tail, which means no annoying hole in the middle of your work. Keep your ring nice and big for now though, as it's much easier to crochet into, and you can tighten it at the end of the round. The other key thing is to make sure you put your hook under both yarn strands in your ring when making your crochet stitches. Otherwise the magic pull part won't work. Let's do a first round of 6 single crochet stitches to demo. You may need to tighten up the loop on your hook first. So, push your hook through the ring under both yarn strands, yarn over hook and pull a loop through. Yarn over hook again and pull it through both loops on your hook. That's our first single crochet done. Let's do that again. Go in through the ring, pull a loop through, yarn round hook and pull it through both loops. And that's our second single crochet stitch. Keep going, making standard single crochet stitches into the ring. It's just the same as making crochet stitches into a circle of chains. But remember to put your hook under both strands of the ring each time. So here's my 6 single crochet in a row. This is where the magic happens. Gently pull on the yarn tail and you will see the ring start to get smaller and smaller. And your stitches turn into a cute circle. If you're crocheting in a continuous spiral, like making amigurumi, you would just start round 2 by going into the next stitch. Or if you're joining rounds, you can slip stitch into the first stitch to finish round 1 as usual. There's still a tiny hole in the middle, and that hole will grow as you crochet more rounds. But the trick is to pull it tight again later to fix it. Top tip, don't weave in your tail until the end, so you can tighten further if needed. Here's the slightly bigger hole after 2 rounds. But if I pull the yarn end tight, the hole vanishes completely. So magic circles are pretty nifty and an easy way to get a neat finish on your crochet projects. I hope you found this demo helpful. Thanks for watching.